Good morning, 6th class children. Get ready for class. We are doing second chapter, natural numbers and whole numbers. In previous class, I explained what are the natural numbers and whole numbers, and the difference of whole numbers and natural numbers. I explained. Only natural numbers means nothing but counting numbers. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And for this whole numbers, starting number is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. No, starting number is 0 in whole number, starting number is 1. So, the numbers, the natural numbers also included are there in whole numbers. But 0 is not there in natural number. That is the difference. Now here, building numbers. Today, I want to explain building numbers with given digits. Building numbers. Building numbers with given digits. Ayushri has 3 balloons with digits 368. 368 are the digits. Let us build the numbers. She wants to make different 3-digit numbers from these 3. Now, how can you arrange this? See, let us build the numbers. We can write starting number, first of all given here 3. Using 3 we can write 6, 8. Using 3 we can write 8, 6 also. Next, using 6 we can write second time. 6 we have written first. The remaining numbers are 3, 8, and using 6, 8, 3 also we can write. Using the 8 first number, second numbers possible are 3, 6 and 6, 3. These are the possible numbers, building numbers, like this. So 4. How many different 3-digit numbers can be found by using 0 to 5 without repeating? Build the numbers using the digits. Digits are given 0 to 5. But these are 2-digit numbers, but he is asking 3-digit numbers. Frame 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. If we use first 0, no value. 0 has no value in the beginning. It becomes 2-digit numbers. So we start first 2. If we take start 2, remaining digits are 0, 5 and 2, 5, 0. 2. And the next second time 5. Using 5, 0 to 1s. Using 5, 2 0 ones. These are the 3-digit numbers by using the digits. So like that we can build the numbers. Make the greatest and smallest digits by using the digits. Next, make the greatest and smallest numbers by using the digits 4, 6, 7. Let us write the greatest number and smallest number by using the given digits. Greatest number, greatest number, greatest number. In the greatest number, see, write greater number only. Among the 4, 6, 7, the greater number is 7. So first write 7. Next, what is the greater number? Remaining among the between the 2, 6, and last digit is left 4. This is the greatest number. And smallest number, smallest number. First write smallest number. Among the 3 digits, the smallest digit is 4. And between these two numbers, the smallest is 6. Next, 7. Like this. Very easy. Among the given digits, for greater number, we write all greater numbers only. And smallest number means start with smallest numbers. First write the smallest first, next smallest remaining. Like that we have to write. Write the smallest 5-digit number using only one digit. The greatest 5-digit number using 2 different numbers. The smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit number using only one digit. Using only one digit. The smallest 5-digit number using only one digit is smallest number is 1 only. 5 digits like this. Using only one digit. The next, the greatest 5-digit number. The greatest.
పెడతప్పుడే మన దీంట్లో తెలుసుకోలేము, పెడతప్పుడే కొంచెం ఉండే. సరే చూడండి.
The greatest 5-digit number the greatest 5-digit number using 2 different digits. 2 different digits. See, 5-digit numbers that to greatest using 2 digits. Greatest number among the digits 0 to 9 is 9 only. So write 4 9s, and we have to use another number. Greatest number is 8. After 9, 8 will come. So this is the 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, greatest. we completed 1A. Coming to 1B, in which order should be 4 digits, 4 different digits be arranged to obtain the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number descending order. In which order? In which order? In which order should be? Should be? Should the 4 digits be arranged? 4 digits be arranged. To obtain largest number. Obtain largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number. Descending order. Answer. Descending order. Descending order. For smallest number, order is ascending order. Ascending order. What is the 10-digit number that can be formed by using the digits without repeating? What is the number of 10-digit numbers that can be formed? Second. Using 0, 1, 5. Write 3-digit numbers. Write 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are 150, 105, 150. 1 501 510 like this, and using 235, using 235, first 2 3 5 2 5 3. Next start with 3 4 5 3 5 2. Next start with 5 2 3 5 3 2 like this. Right? Take one digit each time. Write the 4 digit using digits. You can repeat any one digits. What is the largest 5-digit number with 2 at once, ones place 3 at 10 cities? Write the possible three-digit numbers without repeating. Okay. So like that you do this 1B exercise, page 18. 1B, 1B, page 18, 18th page. Remove 18th page and do all these problems.